In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to CoinStats. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to coinstats.app, and then on here, you want to click on the login button at the very top right. And then here it says or continue with wallet, click on that. And then here on the list, you'll be able to see Trust Wallet. If it's not over here, click connect other, and then it should be somewhere over here on the list. Click on Trust Wallet. And then it's going to open up your window once you have your extension. And by the way, in case you don't have your extension for Trust Wallet, this is not going to work. So make sure you actually do have the extension of Trust Wallet installed. In case you don't know how to actually get this, go to Google, type in Chrome Web Store or just Trust Wallet extension, and then install that from the Chrome Web Store, and you'll be able to, of course, get it. Now here, you'll be able to, of course, put in your password. There we go. I just typed that in. You want to click on unlock. And then here, it's going to basically tell you what you can allow. Click on connect if you agree. And then after that, it's going to start loading for a few seconds. And then after that loading is done, as you can see over here, you have to confirm that yet again. And then it's going to basically go ahead and connect to CoinStats. As you can see, I have already connected right now. And if I go to my portfolio, you'll be able to see here's my Trust Wallet icon, and I've successfully connected Trust Wallet to CoinStats. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.